So these are the forks off of my 350. I just replaced the stock springs with some Racetech springs, and they are making an odd, like a metal on metal grinding noise inside. So let's take a listen. So as you can hear, it's pretty annoying. I'm a little bit OCD, and this is worrying me. I heard this was normal with Racetech springs because they sell, apparently they sell Honda springs for the WP forks, and they're a little bit longer and narrower. So obviously they're binding somewhere. I'm just wondering, what I should do. Is this a thing that will go away in the future just by wearing them in, or will it continue to do this? I don't really want to ride it with them like this, as I don't want to damage them internally. So just give me your opinion. Thanks. Bye.